Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. Okay, first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And after you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it, and here look for the option called sleep, this one. And once you find it, tap on it. Come on. By default, the auto option will be selected, and basically the watch decides to turn off the screen automatically. But you have options like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 20 seconds. I'm gonna select one of them, maybe 10 seconds, and then tap on OK. As you can see, it's set to 10 seconds now, and we can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the buttons or the screen for 10 seconds, the screen should turn off to save the power, like this. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.